red and sweet.
A is for apple, red and sweet.
B is for balloon, floating neat.
B is for balloon, floating neat.
C is for cat, so soft and small.
C is for cat, so soft and small.
D is for diamond, shining for.
D is for diamond, shining for.
E is for elephant, big and strong.
E is for elephant, big and strong.
F is for flag, waving all day long.
F is for flag, waving all day long.
G is for giraffe, tall and high.
G is for giraffe, tall and high.
H is for horse, galloping.
H is for horse, galloping.
I is for ice cream, cold and sweet.
I is for ice cream, cold and sweet.
J is for jeep, driving down the street.
J is for jeep, driving down the street.
K is for kite, soaring in the air.
K is for kite, soaring in the air.
L is for lion with a mighty stare.
L is for lion with a mighty stare.
M is for mango, juicy and bright.
M is for mango, juicy and bright.
N is for nest, up in the light.
N is for nest, up in the light.
O is for orange, so fresh and loud.
O is for orange, so fresh and loud.
P is for parrot, with colors profound.
P is for parrot, with colors profound.
Q is for quill, writing so neat.
Q is for quill, writing so neat.
R is for rose, with petals so sweet.
R is for rose, with petals so sweet.
S is for ship, sailing so wide.
S is for ship, sailing so wide.
T is for tomato, red like a tie.
T is for tomato, red like a tie.
U is for umbrella, keeping us dry.
U is for umbrella, keeping us dry.
V is for vulture, flying so high.
V is for vulture, flying so high.
W is for watermelon, juicy and fun.
W is for watermelon, juicy and fun.
X is for xylophone, play and run.
X is for xylophone, play and run.
Y is for yak, strong and true.
Y is for yak, strong and true.
Z is for zebra with stripes of blue.